Welcome back, my Drew's Boost to Drew's Boost Kingdom. I have a bit of a special unboxing to do because I really wanted this bag, and it was hard to find at boutiques, especially the color that I got. And on YouTube, I really didn't see too many reviews on this bag. But what's very important, I want to tell you guys when it comes to shopping and your collection, do not just buy trends. Do not just buy automatically right away, because in the moment you feel, I have to have it, I need it. But then, once you truly get it, once you really start to think about your lifestyle and what really works for you and what really goes with your style, you're not gonna want it. And you don't care about it. So, I'm glad that I waited to purchase this item. I really wanted a denim bag from Balenciaga. I really wanted the patchwork bag, but I'm actually glad I didn't get the patchwork bag, because that bag is actually made of real denim. And I feel like it could actually get dirtier easier than what I got. And it's of a silhouette and a body style that I like, that I think is timeless. No matter where fashion goes, elegance and elegant shapes are always going to be on par and on trend. So let's get to it. Here is the bag. Balenciaga. And I think this is my third Balenciaga bag. It actually is my second hourglass, which I think is pretty cool. Because my other hourglass is the hourglass horizontal, the horizontal hourglass, or the hourglass stretch. So this is like the traditional hourglass. And I think the small size. But what I really like about Balenciaga and how they're being different is, this is the hourglass in a denim print, but it actually is lambskin. So even though the bag looks denim, it is actually lambskin. And I prefer a leather bag over a fabric bag, simply because the price, like when you look at the price of leather on, the stock exchange, or, at tanneries where they sell it as raw material, leather costs way more than denim. And I do like that this bag is fully leather lined. I'm not sure what the interior leather is, but I love that it also comes with an adjustable strap, which I do prefer more than a Kelly, that it actually comes with an adjustable strap. I do like that this bag has a back flap. And yeah, Hermes, like, y'all could create a back flap and still make it look elegant. Like, y'all could do it. It's been done. I really love the silhouette of an hourglass, simply because of this bottom shape. And I love that it will sit on your thigh. And when it sits on your leg, it's comfortable. I do love just the silhouette of it all. I just think that they really did a good job with the dynamics. I love that this bag is wider, so that way you can put more items into your bag and you can carry more things, versus the mini Kelly. Really, the mini Kelly size and this is not too far apart when it comes to lengthwise. Width obviously is very dramatic. But I actually prefer this bag over a Kelly, because I feel like Kellys can look like old lady bags if not in a cellier structure. I do love that they I mean, I'm sure Balenciaga doesn't cost you there, but I do like they have the bag stitched on the outside versus piping, because it does make it look more streamlined. It does make it look more angular. It does make it look more elegant, more structured. I really like this bag, you guys. Um, and I think it was important to wait on this bag because when you're making purchases, you don't want to go based on trends because it's going to be sitting in your closet and it's going to be money out of your bank account that is going down. Not all brands are investment pieces as far as you invest in it and your money's going to grow or it's going to be worth more when you bought it, later or whatever. Not all brands create investment pieces. Not all bags, are investments. So it's like you want to make sure it's something that you're going to wear, something that you're going to want. I do know that once I saw it in the store, probably like a year later, I wanted this bag like a year ago, and I saw it at the Balenciaga store, and they said it was on sale. They said it was on sale. I was like, I had to get it. And I still was in love with it a year later versus in that moment. And I think that's really important when it comes to buying things or luxury pieces or investment pieces, is that are you going to like it a year later? So sometimes don't buy it right away. Wait a year and see if you still want it. See after you see everybody else with it. Do they know how to rock it? Do they not know how to rock it? Are they a bad bitch? Are they not a bad bitch? Really take that stuff in consideration when spending your money, because like I said, you don't want to just have these closets full of, useless material goods that you're not going to wear, you're not going to get any use out of. But anyways, I love this bag, you guys. It's an early birthday treat to myself. And I'm glad I waited. And I love it just as much today as I did a year ago when I saw it at the boutique. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you guys. Take care.